All right, you guys know I'm never happy and complacent with the status quo. I have an awesome video set up in my office using the Olympus digital cystoscopes. However, there are some practices that are not using a camera when you guys perform cystoscopies. I reached out to the nice folks at Firefly Global, the makers of the, I believe it's called the R3800, called the Redfin. In any case, it's a simple camera and a processor and a portable light source. I spoke with them last week. They were nice enough to send me a demo unit, so I'm going to do the unboxing right now on Facebook Live. Hello, my name is John. I'm a urologist here in Gilbert, Arizona, your humble host of the Thriving Urology Practice Facebook group. All right, I've got a couple of boxes. This is the Firefly ES201. It comes in a box like this. All right, let's crack into this thing and see what we have. Hope you're all having a great day. It's my day in the operating room. I'm done with cases. I'm actually going to be running a few minutes late to an appointment. I hope she understands. Opens up nicely. Firefly ES201 Compact Light Source User Manual. And it comes with a, it looks like, this looks brand new. Wow, this handle, super well packaged, my gosh. All right, there it is. Let me give you a close-up shot. There's the light handle. Looks like a button that you turn on and off there. I have not charged the battery, but here are the batteries. Looks like it comes with 2 batteries. Samsung SDI lithium-ion battery, 3.6 volt, 2600 milliamp hour. There you go. And it also comes with a charger, so I will charge it up, and then once I get it going, once it's charged up, I will let you guys know how it works, and we'll do another video on that. So let's put this thing away and get into the big box, which is this thing. I believe this is the processor and the camera. So it's the R3800B as in Bravo and R3800C as in Charlie. Those are the item numbers. Looks like it's in a like a briefcase. This thing looks brand new. All right. Let me crack this thing open. Whoa. All right. Looks like a very simple instruction sheet. Full HD camera system setup. And wow, this thing looks awesome. There's the Redfin Full HD 1080p camera head. It's hefty. It's definitely hefty. Let me give you the big shot, the wide shot. Looks like comes with a cover. Wow, this is really well made. Just looking at the externals, and it comes with control buttons. I don't know what they do yet. Looks like a 22mm coupler. And to couple to your scope, this will be it right here. Nice. The connector is here, and I believe it goes into the processor. And let me put this cover back on. Nice. All right. Let's put this puppy back in here. Wow, this is a really neat little processor. And it also comes with a R3800 Full HD camera user manual, version 1.7, Firefly Global. All right, here is the actual device. It's really small and lightweight. The pinouts in the back are here. Looks like power switch over here and bunch of video outs. All right, there you go. Here's the top. Very, very small, guys and gals. These are not buttons up front, and looks like this is a button menu selector. So that is that. It also comes with a power adapter. Oh, I like the way this is designed. Most adapters will pull out. This one looks like it locks in place. So once you plug in, you have the ability to screw it so it locks in so it doesn't accidentally pull out. I hate it when it accidentally pulls out. There you go. Beautiful. All right, once I get it all hooked up and try it, I will let you know what I think. There you go, unboxing. Comments, questions, leave them below, and I gotta run to an appointment. Take care.